The Pacific waters off of Nosara, Costa Rica are clear. Really clear. Like crystal clear. Billfish in this region are able predators with keen eyesight, capable of spotting the glint of metal from 100 yards away. In order to catch these monsters, we use an all-monofilament rig with no metal. Captain Alex shows us the procedure for building this rig. You'll need plastic tubular line protector, a circle hook, 130-pound monofilament, and a plastic trolling lure. First, feed a few meters of 130-pound monofilament through the lure head. Then slide a small length of plastic line protector over the mono. This will keep the hook from cutting into the line. Next, center the hook on the line protector. Secure the hook to a hard point. Then carefully make 3 loops around the main lines. Feed the terminal end of the line through the 3 loops. Pull through and tighten, and you've completed the main knot. This is also known as a Snell knot. To keep the hook hidden by the lure skirt, measure the proper distance and mark the spot with a small fold in the line. Make 4 twists up to the marked spot. These will support and stiffen the hook set when the fish attacks the lure. Finally, tie another 3-loop Snell knot to finish the rig. Cut off the loose mono and you're ready to go fishing. The only metal in this rig is the hook, which is perfectly concealed by the skirt of the lure. Remember to always use circle hooks and always release your billfish.